7-11-24. We have a boiler system and we're a laundromat. This is a Tyco impeller water pump down there, and this is some brand water pump using 110. So the issue is when it operates, it makes like a vibrating humming noise, which is it's not doing right now. But if you push it to one direction, meaning that direction, then the machine seems to be balanced and it's more quiet. So the question now is this unit down here bad, the water pump, or the electric motor is bad? And I don't know the answer, so if you can help, that'd be great. And so right now, if I was to push it, the sound will go away, adding pressure to that direction. All right, thanks for listening.